Hello everyone, my name is Divyansh Sehgal, class 4A from Vidya School. Today I am telling the story and the name of the story is Union is Strength. Let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer with his 4 sons. They all quarreled with each other. This made the farmer very unhappy. One day he called all of them and gave a stick and said, "Take this stick and try to break it." Everyone tried and break it. Then the farmer made a bundle of stick and said, "Take this bundle of stick and try to break it." Everyone tried very much but couldn't break it. Do you mean this? The moral of the story is, when we are not together, everyone can harm us. And when we are together, no one can harm us. Thank you and have a